Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Moto E40. So in order to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Next is to search for an app, and here enter Firefox browser. Select it and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here you can customize, so pick a theme, your toolbar placement, change always on privacy settings, synchronize Firefox between other devices by signing up. You can read the privacy notice, click on start browsing. Lastly, set Firefox as a default browser. And now let's open a website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.